You see it here, I got 20 1/4. So you mark 10 1/8, that's your center. Now typically I like, as I said earlier, to do a 2-inch drop. A drop meaning the lowest point of your slope bell will be 2 inches. So one more thing, guys, obviously if I was building this on site I wouldn't be using a Sharpie, but I couldn't find a pencil here, so it is what it is. So next thing, you want to mark 1/2 of the bell. So using your grade 4 artist skills, just eye in a nice curve for halfway. Okay, so when you're happy with the curve you've made, then you can start your cutting. So let's do that. Okay, so you see how I have, grab the marker real quick, sorry. You see how I have halfway? So once again, let's review. Right here, we have our brick. And then we have a rafter. Sorry, it's upside down. So once again, here's the brick. We have our curve. So just eye that down. See once again, if it flows nicely. It should be a consistent round. There shouldn't be any jagged nature to it. So here's your fascia cut. Your fascia cut. Here's the actual fascia. Okay, let's make that last cut. Do you see that? See how it's round, nice and round and consistent throughout? It's kind of what you're looking for. You don't want to have it too belled because then it just looks weird. But you don't want to go too less because it doesn't look like a true bell. So I always like the 2-inch drop kind of rule because I find it always puts out a nice rafter. So that'll basically sit there like that, and that will carry right to there if I hadn't taken it out for the brick. So there you have it. So if you, now that you have your rafter figured out, first put in all your rafters, side and front, and then to simply figure out the hip, you just get your 4-foot level, mark up the bottom edge with either crayon or pencil, and scribe up, running the 2x4, or in this case a 4-foot level, right up the edge of the round, and that you'll get your hip profile that way. I see some guys try to eye it, it never works out properly. So that's pretty much the gist of that. Other guys, you guys have been asking about what gloves I wear. I'm surprised how many people have asked this, and the long and short of it is I don't really know the brand of these ones, but these are my preferred gloves to use. Just know you can get them at Dollarama, and I think they're about $4 a piece. Each glove will last you easy 2-3 days. Summer, I like to keep extra gloves always because your hands sweat and it's nice to be able to switch them out. Also winter, they get cold, they get wet, switch them out. Always carry at least 3 pairs. There's this other brand, not quite as good, but they're all right in a pinch. Holmes Workwear. You get them at Rona or wherever you buy your wood. These ones I got from Costco. I think they're more for gardening, but a few weeks ago that's all they're letting us buy. So you could buy gardening gloves, but you couldn't buy work gloves. So that's what I was up against. They're okay. They're not as durable, I'd say, as these ones, these skeleton mechanical looking ones, but once again, they're okay in a pinch. All right, guys, once again, I really want to appreciate you guys for getting me to 10,000 subscribers so quickly. When I started this, it was more just for a joke, just to kind of pass the time, and I never actually thought I'd gain any traction. But thankfully for you guys are awesome, and you guys are motivating the hell out of me to continue to post these videos and how-tos and these GoPro action videos. So thank you so much for the inspiration and all the nice comments. Thanks for giving me your questions, and kind of adds a little bit more fun to the job, I find. So I'll continue to do it. You guys continue inspiring me, commenting, good or bad, I'll hear it all. And like, as you can tell, I post everything. I'll post my fails. In some of the time-lapse videos, you'll see me falling on the floor. I don't edit it out. I don't got time for that. Kind of just give you the raw deal, and that's kind of the style. But anyway, keep being awesome, keep sending the comments, keep questioning. Please like and subscribe, it means the world to me. Thanks, guys, have a good night. Oh, also, I guess this is kind of important too. I started a new house today. I will post a video on it tomorrow. We're just framing the floor right now, and the walkout. So I will post a quick video tomorrow.